Hello students, today I am going to teach you the first lesson in social science, that is Vijayanagara Empire. So let us start the lesson. During the 13th century, an expedition was started by the Delhi Sultan Alauddin Khilji to invade the kingdoms of South India. It continued in the 14th century as well. Many kingdoms of South India were captured by the Delhi Sultans. At this time, the Vijayanagara kingdom emerged as a strong kingdom of South India. 13 ಮತ್ತು 14ನೇ ಶತಮಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ದೆಹಲಿಯ ಸುಲ್ತಾನನಾದ ಅಲ್ಲಾವುದ್ದೀನ್ ಖಿಲ್ಜಿ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ತನ್ನ ಸೈನ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. ಆದರೆ ವಿಜಯನಗರ ಅನ್ನೋದು ತುಂಬ ಬಲಶಾಲಿ ಆದುದರಿಂದ ಆ ಸೈನ್ಯವನ್ನು ಅವರು ಸೋಲಿಸಿ ತಮ್ಮ ವಿಜಯನಗರ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯವನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. We will learn about the following: the founders of Vijayanagara Empire, the capital of Vijayanagara Empire, the 4 dynasties that ruled over Vijayanagara. We will learn about the founders of Vijayanagara Empire. Vijayanagara Empire was founded in 1336 CE by 2 brothers Harihara and Bukka. This kingdom was established on the southern bank of Tungabhadra. Vijayanagara Empire founded in 1336 on the bank of Tungabhadra river by the 2 brothers Harihara and Bukka. ವಿಜಯನಗರ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯವು 1336ರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಗಭದ್ರಾ ನದಿಯ ದಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಹರಿಹರ ಮತ್ತು ಬುಕ್ಕ ಎಂಬ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮಂದಿರು ಈ ವಿಜಯನಗರ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯವನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Hampi of Ballari district was their capital. The boar or Varaha was the national emblem of Vijayanagara Empire. See this picture, children. This is the emblem of Vijayanagara Empire, boar or Varaha. Okay, the next we will learn about the dynasties that ruled Vijayanagara. First one is Sangama dynasty, second one Saluva dynasty, third one Tuluva dynasty, and fourth one Aravidu dynasty. In this class, we will learn about Sangama dynasty. The time of rule is 1336 to 1485. Harihara was the first king of this dynasty. He ruled from 1336 to 1357 Common Era. He took control over the regions of the Tungabhadra river and extended his empire. After his death in 1357 CE, his brother Bukkaraya took over power because Harihara did not have any son. Okay, here see children, Harihara was the first king of Sangama dynasty and he was ruled from 1336 to 1357. ಸಂಗಮ ವಂಶದ ಮೊದಲ ದೊರೆ ಹರಿಹರ. ಇವನು 1336ರಿಂದ 1357ರವರೆಗೆ ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿ ಟುಕ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಓವರ್ ದ ರೀಜನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ತುಂಗಭದ್ರಾ ರಿವರ್. ಮತ್ತು ಇವನು ತುಂಗಭದ್ರಾ ನದಿಯ ತನಕನೂ ತನ್ನ ಅಧಿಕಾರವನ್ನು ಚಲಾಯಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹರಿಹರಾಸ್ ಡೆತ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಟುಕ್ ಓವರ್ ದ ಪವರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಹರಿಹರ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಸನ್. ಹರಿಹರನ ನಂತರ ಅವರ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರವನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಅವನ ತಮ್ಮನಾದ ಬುಕ್ಕರಾಯನಿಗೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಹರಿಹರನಿಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವನ ತಮ್ಮನಾದ ಬುಕ್ಕರಾಯನಿಗೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. During Bukkaraya's rule, his son Kampana expanded the empire by defeating the Sultan of Madurai. This was explained in a book called Madhura Vijayam, which was written by Kampana's queen Ganga Devi. Okay, listen here children. When Bukkaraya was ruling, his son Kampana defeated the Sultan of Madurai. This incident is mentioned in the book Madhura Vijayam, which was written by Kampana's queen Ganga Devi. Okay, let us go further. Bukka captured Penukonda by defeating Reddis of Kondavedu and included into Vijayanagara Empire. See here, Bukkaraya defeated the Reddis of Kondavedu and he was captured Penukonda. An inscription of 1368 CE in Shravanabelagola explained that Bukka tried to maintain peace and harmony when there was a problem between Jains and Vaishnavas. Here, see children, Bukkaraya tried to maintain peace and harmony when there was a problem between Jains and Vaishnavas. This incident mentioned and explained in the inscription of Shravanabelagola. See the picture. This is a picture of Shravanabelagola inscription. ಈ ಒಂದು ಶಾಸನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬುಕ್ಕರಾಯ ಜೈನ ಮತ್ತು ವೈಷ್ಣವರ ನಡುವೆ ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ ಅಂತ ಈ ಶ್ರವಣಬೆಳಗೊಳ ಶಾಸನದಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಬುಕ್ಕರಾಯ ಮೆನಿ ಮೋರ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ರೂಲ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಸಂಗಮ ಡೈನಾಸ್ಟಿ, ಬಟ್ ದೇವರಾಯ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವಾಸ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಿಂಗ್. ಬುಕ್ಕರಾಯನ ನಂತರ ತುಂಬ ಅರಸರುಗಳು ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಆದರೆ ದೇವರಾಯ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇವನು ಒಬ್ಬ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Okay, I hope you understood the topic. I will send you the homework. Complete it within given time. Thank you.